I have this dash cam camera, but the cable is so long. They want you to run it around the edge of the windows, but I'm gonna cut mine and make it shorter. I'm gonna put Molex connectors on it. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. So first you need some strippers or pliers, and you need some Molex connector tools. And you need male and female connectors and male and female Molex connectors. Okay, first I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna cut the part off that goes into the cigarette lighter. And I'm gonna strip it back, and you got to be real gentle because the wires are very thin. So on this side, since the power is gonna be coming out of the cigarette lighter, I'm gonna put the female pin on. So I'm gonna put the female pin because the power is coming out of the cigarette lighter. And as you see, I crimped it on. Then I'm gonna crimp the other end on the plastic part of it. Then I'm gonna crimp it again to make sure a smaller crimper. Okay. You notice that I got a male connector, but I'm putting the female pins inside the male connector. And I'm gonna get a pin or something and make sure it click into place. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other end. This one right here is gonna have the male pins and the female connector because no power is coming out of this. As you see, I'm crimping just like I did the female pins. So these are male pins I'm crimping now. So it's gonna go inside the female connector. And same thing, get a pin and make sure it click in the spot. This is how it connects together. And pull it apart if you need to put an extension on it. So let's go to my truck and see how it looks, what I did. Okay, you see I got it plugged back in, and this is what it looks like. So if I want to disconnect it and add an extension, I can. All right, thank you.